Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Leaks and rumors continue to surface about Samsung's much anticipated Galaxy S25 Ultra. One of the most recent updates comes from the camera FV5 platform, which has revealed key details about the camera system. As the flagship model in Samsung's Galaxy S series, the S25 Ultra will include a quad camera setup, an upgraded chipset, and the signature S Pen support. The latest certification listing on the camera FV5 platform confirms that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature a 12.5 MP camera. The camera will have an equivalent focal length of 23.2 mm, an actual focal length of 6.3 mm, offering excellent light capture capabilities. Judging from the focal lengths, we can say that this is the 200 MP main sensor, which uses 16 to 1 pixel binning for 12.5 MP output, just like last year. As you can expect, the main camera will include support for both electronic image stabilization and OIS for stable video recording and motion blurless images. According to the listing, the main sensor supports a wide ISO range of 12 to 3200 and a manual exposure range of 1 of 11,977 to 1 of 6. The listing also shows support for both JPEG and DNG picture formats, with auto and manual focusing options. However, the camera FV5 listing only mentions one sensor and more details on the other cameras are yet to be fully confirmed. The 200 MP main sensor, expected to be the same sensor as S24 Ultra, is rumored to be paired with a 50 MP ultra-wide-angle lens up from S24 Ultra's 12 MP ultra-wide, a 50 MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, and a 10 MP telephoto sensor with 3x zoom. This is rather disappointing that there are no major changes in camera hardware except from the ultra-wide. Beyond the camera updates, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to come with significant upgrades in other areas as well. The device will ship with the powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset across all regions, providing faster performance and better efficiency. Additionally, there are rumors that the phone will be available with a new 16GB RAM option, offering more multitasking power than the 12GB option available on the S24 Ultra. If true, it will mainly benefit the processing of on-device AI features. Another notable change is the design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which is almost confirmed to feature rounded corners similar to the other models in the lineup for better grip. Dummy units also suggest a slightly narrower overall profile, which, again, makes it more comfortable to grip. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.